Welcome students. So today we'll be showing the demonstration of your 7 segment display. So on the ARM LPC 2148 board, so we have 4 7 segment displays, so which are connected to the port lines P028, P0.29, P0.30 and P0.31. So that means we have to program the pin cell 1. Okay. So next here these are the switches which control these 7 segment displays. So now we'll show how to dump the code into the flash and then so run the hex file. So in the laptop or the PC, so you should click the flash magic. In the flash magic, so there you should select the device as LPC2148 and COM port. So as like I said, so which COM port it is connected your laptop. So here it is connected to COM3. So that one you should select it, and baud rate 19,200 bits per second and interface none, and then oscillator 12 megahertz. So and then you should select this erase blocks using the X file and then verify after programming. So now, so you should browse your 7 segment hex file. Okay, so 7 segment hex file, so we know how to create an hex file using the Keil. So in that hardware, so I'll go for 7 segment. Okay, so 7 segment hex file is there, so 7 hex. Okay, so that is created, and then so just we'll dump that code and then we'll see. So now we have selected that, we have browsed that file and that file has been selected. So now you should give start. So it start writing into the flash memory. So once it is complete, so you can see the on the board. See, I'll switch on this board. So now you can see, so it starts displaying from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, F, and then again it starts from 0. So this is how it displays. So if you want to program, so as we said, if you are selecting all these ports, so you can display the same on the all the 7 segment display. So for that time being, only one 7 segment display we are displaying from 0 to F with some delay. Now, so if you want to erase it on the flash, so how you should do it? So go to the here ISP, then so here erase flash is there. So erase flash and then erase all blocks which is used by the X file. Then erase if you give. So completely whatever you have written is, it is erased, and now see it will stop. Until you erase into the flash, so it will be running, the code will be running. This is the output of your 7 segment display.